to come up here. He said, man, bring me up. I'm going to sit both of them gals down. I can dance for real.
Ken, I'm going to do an intro real quick.
You ready to intro for him?
I'm going to do one for him too.
Okay, you ready?
I'm going to intro. Wait.
He ready to get down?
They going to get down together.
Give me who?
My brother. Like we real brothers. I think he had that stuff Michael Jackson had. No, he had that stuff Michael Jackson had. We real brothers though.
Been a lager.
Yeah.
Can you say that?
Yeah.
he got venereal disease.
Anyway,
but hold up, let me see what he can do first, and then we can bring your brother. Can we do it like that?
Cool.
Yo, give me something, yo. And come on, let me see what you got.
Oh, he hit the roll. It's just not real.
Say something. I think he might be brother than my brother. Who your brother? Bring your brother.
Like, I used to call him Black until he turned white.
Bring him out.
White boy Chris, come on, bro. Where you
at? Chris. Let me see who does. You ready? You ready? Hey, Chris, he gonna go, then you gonna go. You ready? Go, Chris. Say go, Chris. Go, Chris. Say go, Chris. Stop it. Okay, now that was Chris. You ready to challenge that? You think you can beat that? Hold on, wait. Let's do this. What is your name, young man? Treveon.
No, it's Lil Moss. Lil Moss is name. Lil Moss.
Lil Moss?
Lil Moss.
Lil Moss? That's what we gonna call him, Lil Moss?
Lil Moss.
All right.
I thought it was Lil Saint from You Got Served. Hey.
Since his name is...
Are you ready? Now listen. Hold on, wait. Yeah, but this is how we're gonna do it. This is how we're gonna do it. Cut it. This is how we're gonna do it. He gonna go, then the white man gonna go. And we gonna see who's better.
I had to call him, I had to tell him he white again.
Now listen, hold on. Between me and y'all, if y'all don't vote for the little black boy, we ain't cool with that. Now listen, you ready, G? We're gonna do about 2 rounds, and we're gonna see. You ready? Give him some help. Help, get him. And let's see what he do.
Hit him. Oh.
Go on, drop it here. Let's see what the young. Oh, he ready. Transformer.
Hey, I'm about to get in the crowd.
Leave my baby alone. Shoot.
Put that August face on.
Come on, Hef.
Go on, get ready. Go on, drop it. Looking. Get that needle. Hold on, give me that back shot. Come on, let's shoot him. Give him. Did you mess up that Chris?
Chris quit. He quit. He walked out and put his hood on.
Now look, this is the last round. You better bring it up. You ready?
Chris, we gonna swag right here for you.
Represent. You need to represent for all the mayonnaise eaters out there. You ready? Come on, Chris. Come on. 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, the mama bad, yeah, she got that ass.
I got real good teeth.
That's a slay, yeah, the mama bad, yeah, she got that ass.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
She told me she loves me.
I'm about to die.
See, you didn't act like that. I almost did.
I'ma get
She
you.
was cheating. I couldn't let the little man go out like that. Come on, come up here. Come on, assalamu alaikum. One other little guy. Come on, people. Come on, it's time. Come on.
It's just
Yeah, hold up. Cut it out. And this is what we're gonna do. Now listen. Now you can't vote for both of them. You gotta vote for one. Only one can win. Y'all ready? Give it up for the sexual predator right here.
So y'all gonna cheer for a predator. This is AVP.
He was dry humping
your sign number.
in front of your kids and your little ones, and you gonna vote for him. They give it up for the little man. In your face. Hey, look. Say in your face. Oh! Go on, step down. G. Where's your parents? You gonna do it every day?
That's all I do.
Tell you how to move because that's my third time doing it.
Wait.
That's like the third. Oh,
Wait a minute.
turn around.
Look,
We got something for you. Boom. There you go.
I just almost got knocked out.
Come on,
Now,
Trey.
listen here.
My life flashed.
Trey.
That's what we call the what's the word I'm looking for? The affirmative action dance off.
Come on, baby.
Give it up for the black young man. Now somebody told me we have some
Trey.
birthdays around here.
Trey.
Come on, Pink.
Oh, Lord. Trey. Oh, boy.
You ready to call me?
I need to see proof. Hey, we need to see proof.